Hey, Ezra here with you for the One Stop Shop Module 2, and what we're doing in this video is our pre-purchase opt-in option 1. We have two ways that we can do the pre-purchase opt-in on our website. The first one is the simple way, the easy way. It doesn't involve any extra outside tools, and I'm going to show you how to do that first. So for option 1, what we are going to be doing is creating a page on our website that has an opt-in form that people can opt in on that we can link to from the header. So you can see here we have this join the club opt-in in the header, and instead of having it popped up an opt-in box for this option, because to pop up this opt-in box we need a third-party application, so if you don't want to pay for the third-party application, then we can do it this way, which is a simple way of doing it, where we create a page that we link this box to. So what we need first is our ActiveCampaign, or whatever CRM you are using, web form code. So we're going to come into ActiveCampaign and we are going to click on Lists. And from Lists, we want to navigate to the list that we created, is the pre-purchase opt-in list. We want to click on Integrations and Forms. And what this will do is it will open up a list of the forms that are connected to this list. In our case, we only have one, and it is the pre-purchase opt-in form. We want to scroll over it and click Edit this form. So from here, since this form is actually going to go on our website, we want to modify it a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this little header button on the left here, and that's going to add a header to our form. We're then going to drag that header above the email opt-in element. So now we have a header above the email opt-in element, and we're going to click Edit. And when we click Edit, it's going to open up an editor on the left here where we can modify the text. So what we're going to do is change the text of this. I've changed the text to enter details below to join, and now I'm going to click update. And what that does is it makes this opt-in box look a little bit better. It says enter details below to join, then it has the email. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to edit this by clicking edit to say best email address, so it's a little more clear, and I'm going to click update. And then I'm also going to click the edit button on the subscribe button, and I'm going to change the button text to join the club now, and I'm going to click update. Last thing I want to do is click on theme style options. I want to make the green theme. I like this theme a little bit better here. So now that I have modified my opt-in box here, what I want to do is scroll down and click integrate with your site. I have this little section here that says embeddable HTML, and I'm going to grab that form code. And now I'm going to go back into the back end of my Shopify store. I'm going to go to Online Store and Pages, and I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to name this page Join Our Club for coupons, discounts, and more. I've got a little text here. Use the form below to join our club and get 5% off now. If you're giving away 5% off, then you're going to want to have this text. I'm going to go ahead and turn that into an H2. And then I'm going to click this little Show HTML button on the right. And underneath the H2, I'm going to paste the form that I got from ActiveCampaign. And then I'm going to save this page. And now if I view this page on my online store, what you can see is we have a page that says join the club for discounts, coupons, and more. Use the form below to join our club and get 5% off now. And then it says enter details below to join. And now they can enter their details and join the club. So you can style this page if you want more aggressively. You can have images, you can have different text. But the point is that you have your opt-in form right here on this page. So now we need to grab the URL of this page and connect it to our opt-in box. So we're going to go back into our editor, we're going to click on Themes, and we're going to click on Customize Theme, and we're going to come right over here to the header section, and we're going to scroll down to the main nav CTA URL, and we're going to place in that box the URL for our opt-in page. And then what we can do if we were giving 5% off is we could change the main nav CTA text to say get 5% off now. And that would modify this text right here. I'm going to leave it as join the Bee Friendly Club, and now I can save these changes. And now what I will notice is that if I refresh the website, it says join the club, and when I click it, it takes me to this page. So if I come to the home page and I click this link, it now takes me to the pre-purchase opt-in page that I have created and put my web form on. So this is the way that we can get people to opt in to our pre-purchase page. So this is Ezra Firestone here for the one-stop shop pre-purchase opt-in option 1, where you can take the form from your CRM, embed it on a page in your store, and link your pre-purchase call to action in your header to that opt-in page on your store. So that's option number 1. In the next video, we will explore the option of having a pop-up box happen when you click that opt-in link. So I'll see you in the next video. Let's move on to option 2.